Welcome to this review of PST.net, and I want to tell you something now. One of the challenges 80% of Nigeria has, the majority the internet market has, is the challenge of making online payments. It has been our challenge, and I'm included on it. So it's challenge every one of us is facing. But recently, I discovered a company called PST.net. This company offers virtual card for any kind of online transaction. Are you getting me? It offers any kind of, they offer credit card or dollar card that you can use for any kind of online transaction. Either you want to pay for a TikTok card, Google ad, Facebook ad, you want to shop on AliExpress, you want to shop, you want to link a PayPal account, all the kind of online transaction. This particular company, PXT.net, give you access to a card that you can use to make all your online transactions. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get this PST.net dollar card and use it to make your online transaction free and without charges at your own comfort. So in this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do all of that step by step. So if this first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Osakwe and I make videos around making money online and how to get a good card that you can use to pay for any international transaction. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do all of that right here. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell, so when I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So I will just walk you through a little on the platform and see how it is. You can just go to your browser and type it, look at it, ps.net, pst.net. You can just go to your browser and type it, you see it right there, s.net. You can see it. So you can see the platform. Now the platform looks so amazing, it looks so good, the design, the structure, and all of the benefits right here. You see that the platform looks so amazing. So recently I discovered this particular company called PXT.net, that this company offer a virtual card that you can use for any kind of international transaction. And this card this card can be instantly top up. You can instantly top up this card in crypto. You can easily top up this card with crypto in 80 different coins. If you are into crypto niche, you want to purchase in crypto, you can easily top up this card with crypto. Are you getting with 80 different kinds of coins that you can use to top up this card? And the cool thing is that the ultimate card that works for almost any kind of international transaction, any kind of payment. When you get the ultimate card, it works for any kind of international transaction, and I'll be showing you how you can get that ultimate card right here in this review. And the cool thing is that the subscriptions and you can use it to subscribe, you can use it to renew your hosting, you can use it to link your PayPal account, you can use it to shop on AliExpress, you can use it to purchase any kind of product online. You see the amazing thing about it. And also the amazing thing, let me blow your head. The amazing thing is that you can use a PXT.net card to pay for your booking for hotel, you can use it to pay for shopping online, you can use it to pay for your flight, for your travel, for your agency. You can use this card to do even more, and I'll be showing you all of this in this particular video right now. And this card, it comes with the card number, the expiring date, and the CVV code. All of these things are completed in this particular card that I'm going to show you how you can get access to this card. And this card mostly is support 3D secure security. It support 3D security, which is a good security that you can have to your card. Are you getting me? And I'll be showing you how you can get access to this card. How you can get access to this card. And the thing I want you to also know that the PXT.net cards are issued by banks in the USA and European countries, to tell you that this is not a new card that maybe is just something that is current, that is just out. No, this card, they offer it in the United States and the European country, and the card support all kind of USD payments. You want to pay for any kind of online transaction that is related to USD, PXT.net works for all of it. So if the billing options, that all, you can do it weekly, you can do it monthly if that is what you want to achieve. And the cool thing is that the registration is very simple, which I'll be showing you step by step how you can sign up an account, completely simple and free. You are not paying a dime to sign up an account on ps.net. It's completely free, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Now look at the screen. You see on my screen right here, and you see the amazing thing is that whatever transaction you made, you'll get 3% charge back for any kind of transaction you made. And you see, you get a good card. And the cool thing here that they have Google extension, which you can use, and they have different country language that you can as well choose. You can see, you can choose different kinds of language. If you're not a English speaking country, you can choose your country. Whichever country you are, you can choose it. Then right here, I want to sign up an account and walk you through how you can do it step by step. So follow me as I sign up an account in this video so that you can see how you can sign up an account on this particular platform called pst.net. So you can see on my screen right now that I want to sign up an account to get card in 1 minute. New account. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So when you click on the sign up, it's going to bring you to this page. You can sign up with app, with Telegram, with WhatsApp, but I want to sign up with my Google account. Then I also advise you to sign up with your Google account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So let's hold on as it opens the page so we can sign up with my Google account. So let's hold on a bit. So right here on my screen, you are seeing that it has opened. I want to log in with my Google account. I click. So you can select your Google account. Then you click on continue. Want to sign up an account. So you click on continue. You see loading data. So we're going to hold on a bit as it takes us to boom. You see, the process is very simple. The registration, the sign up is very, very simple. You see my account, and you see the cool thing about this particular platform. You see how it look like. You see the platform. You see how it look like. You see my account. You see USD, Bitcoin. You see US dollars. You see Europe or more. This platform is what you need right now. So if you're in Nigeria right now, struggling to get a good PayPal account, a dollar card that you can use to purchase or make international transaction, I want to tell you that pst.net is the option for you. And the transaction, and for the first user, as you sign up an account as a first user, they are not charging you for anything. It's completely free for your top up. Any kind of top up you are doing for the first time as a first user, you are doing it for free. You are not paying a dime for any kind of top up. Then I want to walk you through the account so that you can take a look at it. You can see what we have here in my account: USDT, Bitcoin, US dollar, and Europe. So now look at this place. If you want to get a card, look at this place. You said from $7 per card. For the $7 per card, if you want to get a card, the best card for purchase, you see, the best card for purchase, the optimal card is sustainable for most online shopping. Now look at this. You say to pay for advertising. You have a product, you want to advertise your product, maybe on Facebook, on any kind of platform. This particular option is the best for you. And you can use this card. You can choose to advertise on Facebook. This card work on Facebook ad, you work on Google ad, you work on TikTok ad, and any other platform like AliExpress, eBonds, and so many other. Now I will show you how to get access to this card. When you come to this card, say issue a card, you click on it. You click on issue a card. So it's going to open another page for us. So you see, it's going to open another page for us as you're seeing on the screen right now. That's opening the page. You see card issue optima. Provide personal information. Please fill out the field below to qualify for a welcome verification. Now for you to get this optima card that you can use to purchase anything online, like purchasing linking your PayPal account, shopping on AliExpress, on eBonds, or any other platform, you can get started with this optima. You can see you choose your country. If you are in Nigeria now, you choose your country. You see Nigeria right here. You pick your country, you fill your information, your name, your last name, and date of birth, and you just click on continue, and you get access to this card. Now this card, the thing is that this card, you can use it to shop online. Like I said, you can use it to shop on AliExpress, you can use it to shop on Amazon. You can use it to shop on virtually any kind of online international platform. You can use it to do that. You can use it to also link your PayPal account. Maybe you have a PayPal account that you are struggling to link with. This pst.net, it works on PayPal accounts. So you can use it to link up your PayPal account completely free. You are not paying a dime for this. So the only thing you are going to pay is just to get the card, and which is just $7, and you get the card. Now, if you want to top up a card, you just come down to this side. You see top up account. You click on top up an account. You see. Click on top up an account. Now you can choose the kind of the kind of forms you want to deposit. You see interior USD, you see Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, you see all of this USD. You can just choose the kind of payment you want to use, the kind of forms you want to top up. You just click on it, you top up your account. So this particular platform, which is called pst.net, is one of the best platforms I discovered recently, and you need to check it out. I'm telling you, you need to check it out and see how this particular platform works. You need to check it out. If you are struggling to link your PayPal account, you use this card and you are good to go. Now, let's look at this. How we can use this card to run a Facebook ad, run Google ad, and TikTok ad. So just come down, click on that particular one. You see it. You see? Premium service for media buyer. So for media buying, if you are the type that purchase something online, so you can just pretty use this particular option, and you get any of this card to run your paid ad on Facebook. You run your paid ad on Facebook. You can see it. You can see all the different transactions that you can do with this particular platform called pst.net. You can see right here on the screen. You can see that you can use the card for advertisement, Facebook ad, Google ad, TikTok ad, and all these cards you can get it right here. You can see it. You can see the Visa card, MasterCard. They have Visa card, they have MasterCard, they have Visa card, they have MasterCard right here. You can see it here, Visa card, MasterCard, and all of these cards, you can use it to run a paid ad, my guy. You can use this card to run a paid ad and stop struggling. My card is being rejected. How will I do it? My card is being declined. How will I do it? Just go ahead and sign up an account. You see that I've walked through the simple process on how to sign an account. It's just very simple, and it's completely easy to sign up an account. So you can just go ahead and sign up a free account and fund your account, your card, and you get started with this particular account and begin to use your card to make online purchases. You begin to use your card to make online purchases, to run Facebook ad, to run Google ad, TikTok ad, and any kind of advertisement. And if you are the kind of guy that is like me, that purchase something online, like paying for your hosting provider, renew your hosting provider, or shopping on AliExpress, eBay, and Amazon, and all of that, you can just go ahead and use this Ultima card. This Ultima card, it works pretty well for any kind of online shopping. Any kind of online shopping, this card works for it. And if you need a Visa card or MasterCard, they can also go ahead to give it to you right here. You get your Visa card or MasterCard for any kind of your online transaction, and you are good to go. My guy, you will like this card. I'm telling you the truth. Just test it. You see what I'm telling you. You will love this card because it works pretty well for any kind of online transaction. Any kind of online transaction you can just mention. And if you have been struggling to link your PayPal account, my guy, don't struggle anymore. This is the card you need. pst.net is the card you need to link your PayPal account, and you'll be good to go. So just go ahead, use the link at the description of this video, and you sign up an account. It's completely free. Like I said, you are not paying anything. Use the link at the description of this video or at the comment section of this video to sign up an account and start using pst.net for any kind of your online transaction. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and share this video so that other people, other Nigerians who are struggling to get a virtual card for their online transaction can watch this video and also get access to this card, because I love it. That is why I review this particular card to you. So if you enjoy what I share with you here, so don't forget to share this video, like it, so that your friends and other people who are struggling to get a good card for their online transaction can also watch this video and get this particular card. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.